Hey there, welcome to Yard Gear Friday. My name is Roland. What I'm going to show you today is how to remove a wheel off your riding lawnmower. Now you don't need any fancy tools. You can do with basic tools. We're going to use a bottle jack to lift up the lawnmower. We're going to use a pair of pliers and a screwdriver, and that's it. So the first thing we're going to do is slide the bottle jack under this front end of the riding lawnmower. So it fits just like that. Right under here like this. Don't worry if your bottle jack is touching your tire. We're going to make sure that we close this on the bottle jack so that it does jack up. If this is open, it won't go anywhere. That's to release the shaft here so it comes down. So if you don't have a bottle jack, you can pick one up pretty inexpensively anywhere. I'll leave a link below this video in the description and in the comments where you can get a bottle jack at a good price. All we're going to do is jack this bottle jack up the tractor. Because we can't take the wheel off, and it's pretty hard to get the clip and the washer off with weight on the front end. So this here is called a dust cap. So you have to remove this dust cap. Okay, now we got to get this clip off of here. This clip, you just put a screwdriver underneath, and it should just pop right off like that. And you can pull your washer off. And now you can remove your wheel. Well, we have this wheel off, and you like to keep this shaft here greased. I'll show you inside your wheel. This is on the inside of the wheel. There's a grease fitting in here. Give that a couple shots of grease when you put your wheel back on. Keeps this lubed up really nice. There's also grease fitting up here. You can keep greased as well. Both sides. So let's say you had to get your tire fixed, put an inner tube in here, whatever. You go ahead, slide your wheel back on, put this washer back in place, and then you're going to need to put your C-clip back on. Your C-clip looks like this, and there's a groove there that this C-clip goes into. Let's put our pliers on here, and we squeeze that into place. Put our dust cap back on. That's how easy it is to remove the front wheel off a riding lawnmower with just basic tools. If this video helped you out, give me a thumbs up, and we'll see you on the next video.